Do you want to make money online? Let's understand reasons why you should start making money online. You can have a lifestyle of freedom. You can work from anywhere in the world. You are your own boss. You can work as per your own time. Unlimited earning potential. Creative freedom. Your work travels. A healthier lifestyle. More time for what you value most. Let me tell you one program for this. Super Affiliate System Pro. What exactly is Super Affiliate System Pro? The Super Affiliate System Pro is a training program with videos, checklists, and software. Our promise is to take a complete beginner from zero to affiliate marketer generating $5,000 plus over the course of 6 weeks or less. Training course taught by Crestini. He teaches beginners how to get started with affiliate marketing using a system consisting of buyers, a website, and AMP traffic. Super Affiliate System is by no means a scam and is taught by a veteran affiliate marketer. Many people are intrigued by the idea of making money online. But we know there are so many scammers on the internet who make illegitimate claims. I have a passion to help people explore the best money-making programs online. In the past weeks, I have done a lot of research about Crestini and his course, and have come up with some valuable insights for you. I can tell you everything you need to know to make an informed decision about joining Super Affiliate System. Feel free to join free training. Find the link in the description. Let's experience Super Affiliate System now. And the best part that you need to know is that here's what you'll learn in this Super Affiliate System review. How this course is different than other beginner make money online courses. The training breakdown. Explanation of the resources you get in the Super Affiliate System. The pros and cons. A video training that has won an education award from the Global Forum for Education and AMP Learning. The best products to promote and AMP. The best ads to use. A software with pre-configured pages that can be used in minutes. We provide a website editor with hosting and AMP. A domain at no additional cost. We have weekly coaching calls, 24/7 365 support, and a no-risk 30-day guarantee. It provides traffic credits to get students started faster, a call with a growth coach, a 21-day roadmap, high-ticket commission training, and we even prepaid for a call with an expert to help our students with taxes and forming an LLC.